is no better way in starting your day with a grateful heart. It can be as simple as a good cup of tea, a good coffee, a well-rested meal, healthy family. Every time I wake up, I encourage myself to think of the things that I'm grateful for that day. Life is hard. That's already given. And because of those negative emotions, my mind is sometimes clouded with the things that I should be grateful for. And when these things happen, I try to remind myself to be grateful for being alive and for being able to do the things that I want to do. I am grateful that I have a roof over my head. I thank God for that all the time. But today, I am thankful for this bed. I know you might find it silly, but I am really, really grateful. I finally have the bed that I want. Ever since I moved here in the US, that was like, 6 years ago, I slowly lost the interest in decorating or buying something for my room because I know we will be transferring. For those 6 years, I've had 7 addresses already. You can just imagine why I lost the interest in focusing about my bed, focusing about the beddings, or decorating my room. I am going to share to you today how I make my bed. If you are uncomfortable watching this type of video, I totally understand. But for those of you who are interested in how make my bed, my color of choice for the beddings, the materials that I want to try, you're more than welcome to stay with me and watch this video. It's kind of getting dark, so I'm gonna make this video real quick. I only have those lights and the lights over here from my window. This is my room. I haven't styled all of it yet. I haven't even changed the paint of this room, but this is the bed of my choice. I was heavily influenced by the influencers that I have been watching. To name them, it's Heart Evangelista and Jen, Turtle Creek Lane. They have a gold canopy bed. Before, to be honest with you, I'm not really interested with canopy bed. I'm more into the tufted bed. Is that how you say it? As I was looking for a bed, I was contemplating on getting the nude or beige tuft bed or a gold canopy bed. I found one on Target. I will put the picture here. It was like around $1,000 for that bed. Really like the look of this bed. I went to Wayfair, got some of the beds there. I found a beige canopy bed. It was for like also $1,000. And then I saw this simple canopy bed. It looks gold in the video, but actually this is not gold. This is more of like bronze type of metal. It somehow looks gold, but yeah, I love the simplicity of it. My most favorite part of this bed is the price. I got this for $200 something. I will link it down below if you want to check it out. It was assembled by my husband and my brother-in-law. We will go on that side. As you can see, here we go. This is reality. This is not a model house. This is our setup. I cannot let my toddler use this canopy bed yet because he moves so much and I don't want him to fall. So I put this bed over here. Cabinet is also there for a reason. I have a 2-year-old boy, and ever since he was born, he's always with me. I have all of his stuff there, his bottle, his milk, water, some of his toys, some wipes, his clothes. My baby and I sleeps comfortably here. This bed was assembled like 2 weeks ago, but no one sleeps here. Well, someone sleeps here. My ragdoll, my cat. If you're wondering where my husband sleeps, he sleeps on the couch. I don't know what's with him and the couch, but he likes sleeping in the couch. So I let him leave. My husband sleeps outside, my baby and I sleeps on this tiny bed right here, and my cat has been sleeping on this bed. And mind you, this house is a 4-bedroom house. I don't know, maybe we are still not used to living in a huge space like this. Before, when we were still living in an apartment, me, my husband, and my baby, and my cat would always sleep in the living room, like on that small couch. I don't know, but it's comfortable. We do that while we have 2 bedrooms empty. On this side, all I have is my tiny little desk over there, my Sonos lamp. It also acts as my speaker. It really has an amazing music, but I have to connect it to our new Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna fix that later. Those are the only things I have in this master's bedroom. I still have to put some curtains and then put my royal blue chair in here and maybe my makeup desk. I'll do all of those things maybe next year. The less things I have in this room, the better. So that's the goal. I don't want to put a lot of things in here. I want to be minimal about the things that I put here as much as possible. I really do hope that you can still see me. The mattress of this bed I already have. It's not new. We bought it like a year ago, maybe. No, 2 years ago. And then I bought the canopy bed. The next thing that I bought is these pillows. Now these are from Target. I went to Target just to buy my husband a pillow, and then I saw that they have a cover. This is the pillow that I got. Again, I'm gonna link it in the description box if you're interested. Just a disclaimer, I cannot guarantee and say just good things about these products because it is my first time trying all of this. But I got this from Target, and then I also got this cover. It's a waterproof cover to protect your pillow. Got it for my husband. I bought him too. He has a medical issue when it comes to sleeping. He opens his mouth while sleeping, and then yeah, you know what happens next. And so to protect the pillow, I got him this. Now that we have that waterproof cover, I know that his pillow will last him for years. Next is this. What do you call this? It's I forgot the name, so I'm gonna insert the name over here, but I got this from Amazon. Now I love the look of the comforter, but it is heavy for me. I do wash my sheets constantly because I have a toddler. Sometimes he spills milk or accident, so I constantly change my sheet. I never realized how much goes into making a bed. They have that duvet. I don't even understand what duvet is. Well, I'll find out later maybe. This thing just works for me. I have sheets, I have the blanket that I want, and yeah, this is going to be my blanket. And of course, it's in white. Yeah, let's put it there. I've already washed them. I got it from Amazon, and it's called the Bed Sheet Set Luxury Linens 1800 brushed microfiber, and it's called the Melanie Fine Liners. This is what it looks like. I still don't know will it last long or if it's good, but when I felt it, it feels like a combination of the softness of cotton and both silk. That's what I felt when I was touching the fabric. Before, I would always grab cotton, but I want to try microfiber this time. I don't know which is best, but I get cold quickly, so I need something that will retain my body heat. So I opted for this one. I don't know if it is good or will I go back to cotton, so let's see. I also bought these pillows, microfiber overstuffed pillow. This is for me. Forgot to mention that this bed is also a king size bed, and so yeah, this one is in king too. These are just pillows. This thing is the last thing that I got. I'm really curious of this. It's a silk pillowcase. They say it's good for you. It lessens fine lines and wrinkles. Will you make your hair super crazy when when you have covers like this. Really interested in finding out. I opted for this color to match the room. I also have that accent chair, the same color as this. So yeah, I'm gonna do my bed now. I also have this cozy blanket that I can just put in to make the bed look more comfortable. That's it. Let me just, okay, there you go. I'm gonna have a good sleep tonight. And that's it for my bed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and stay safe. This is Sherry. I will see you on my next video.